In a candid Christmas Day interview with ZBC, President Emerson Mnangagwa took a reflective tone while discussing the future of his administration. As he worked through the early morning hours, the president pondered the composition of his cabinet and who might still hold office come 2025. Salambira mashoko atona kuti mutungamiri wenyika wati aiwa kune mamwe maminista asingakwanisi kusvika nawo 2030 noda kuti they are not hardworking. Noti subscribe or like or turn the bell like or tipina pana pamudani pamuchinzi. During the interview, President Mnangagwa emphasized the need for introspection and evolution within his government. We must introduce new programs, new policies, he stated. We must introspect about the past, our weakness, our strengths. We must look at that and say, this was my team. This is the team that has delivered our vision, or does it require integrating it? In response to a question about whether he intends to stick with the existing team, the president said he would make a decision in the coming year. The president explained that the holiday season is a time for him to reflect on the performance of his team, identifying weaknesses, and considering what is necessary to strengthen the execution of government work. This is the time I get to reflect on how we have worked as a team and what weaknesses have I identified and what is necessary for me to strengthen and execute government work, His Excellency said. Ndomashoko anobuda achitaurwa panapa tiona kuti mutungamiri wenyika anoti aiwa pazoro rimwe ndopanomboreflecta ndoona kuti takachivha magoals edu here, mastrengths edu ndeapi, hapana vanhu vari kutithreatena here, hapana kana vakomana vari kungooccupa mapositions but pasina zvavari kuexecuta. Mashoko anobuda tinzwa mashoko aiwa ekudhismiswa kwemamwe mapost kana kuti vamwe vanhu vakaoccupa mamwe certain positions. At this critical point tiri kuona kuti kunyange nemaloyalist at the vice president panguva ino aiwa vari kuface all the same. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinda comment section medu, tudze mafungiro episode, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.